Hey, JJ. Yeah. JJ, you're going to the movies. You're going to the movies. How you feel about that? More spit, huh? Tell Sydney.
Really?
We're gonna see Rio.
That's so.
Is he talking?
Well, the critics said it was good. I don't know about the reviews.
Good. Say good. Good.
Say ungingi. Yeah. You excited? They're gonna fly and stuff, yeah. Really? You have so much to say about this first time movie theater experience. And so much spit. So, this is JJ's first time going to the movies. Now, most of us wouldn't even dare taking a 3-month-old baby to a movie theater. But it is a kids' movie, therefore there will be other children there, and I will bet $100 that mine's not the one to mess up the movie in the first place. So, we're going to see what kind of movie this is.
This kid can sit through Eat, Pray, Love. He can sit through Rio.
He did sit through Eat, Pray, Love, so yeah, no comment on that. But you know, he's going to see the movie Rio, and hopefully he'll enjoy it because it's really colorful. Oh look, he could be getting tired. We'll see. Say bye-bye, JJ. Say Rio. Rio. Not eat a blanket. Say Rio. Yeah, and we got great parking. It's a good start. Yeah, that's right. Good. And we're off.